Stafford County prosecutors say they have thousands of photos and video as they prepare their case against the driver behind the wheel of a tour bus involved in a deadly crash on I-95 in Virginia last month.
Jing Dong went to court for the first time since his arrest. Bob Barnard has the latest from Stafford.
Jing Dong made 2 court appearances here today in a wheelchair, suffering from what his attorney said were internal injuries, just being released from the hospital 10 days after this accident back on May 29th.
This is Jing Dong as he was leaving the courthouse. He's facing 5 felony involuntary manslaughter charges, 1 for each of the 5 people killed in that crash. 44 others were injured. Dong was driving a charter bus from New York City to Charlotte, North Carolina, when it left the road after crashing into 6 vehicles. A family of 4 from Massachusetts was killed inside one of those cars. A 25-year-old woman died in another. Investigators still not sure why Dong failed to hit the brakes as traffic around him was slowing for a construction zone. Did he fall asleep? Was he distracted or having a medical emergency?
That is the big question of the hour. And what I can tell you is we have had discussions on the defense team with him about his memory and what he recalls. I'm not going to go into that at this time because there are hearings where strategically we want to release that when it comes due. But for right now, I can tell you that he has communicated with us what he remembers, and we are going to match that against the evidence that the Commonwealth Attorney gave us today to see if they match up.
In court, Dong needed a Mandarin interpreter. We're told he understands little English. He's 48 years old, lived in Staten Island, New York, and had been ticketed for speeding in Maryland 2 months before the deadly crash. Dong also suffering a concussion, according to his lawyer, Thad Furlong.
He's expressed how sorry he is about this incident many times to us, and it's a genuine remorse. I mean, he wished it had never happened. He wished he could turn back the clock.
Jing Dong has been ordered back into court in 2 weeks on June 22nd. That's where he'll have an opportunity to make a plea in the case, and a trial date will be set. In the meantime, he's being held in the Rappahannock Regional Jail without bond.